Hello students, welcome back to Mudassir Academy. In today's video, we will be solving the problem on Gauss Jordan method. See, the problem here is on the board. It says apply Gauss Jordan method to solve a system of equations 2x plus 5y plus 7z equals 52, 2x plus y minus z equals 0 and x plus y plus z equals to 9. Before solving this Gauss Jordan problem, I request you to visit the playlist Linear Algebra. There you will find many problems on solving of consistency of system of linear equations and solution of system of equations using the Gauss elimination method, because the first step to Gauss Jordan method is solving first Gauss elimination, then we need to move to Gauss Jordan. Okay, please do that. So I'll be solving this problem in the most easiest way as possible, as I always do. You need to do nothing. Please take your pen, your notebook and practice along with me. And trust me, at the end of this video, you will be able to solve any Gauss Jordan problem with ease. Okay. Now, let's start solving this problem. So first, as you know, in Gauss elimination method, what you do, we first find the augmented matrix. I'll write here. The augmented matrix is given as A augment B. A augment B equals to, very simple, see, all augment means extra, adding to this extra. What's the matrix here? 2, 5, 7, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'll add extra to it, that is this constants 52, 0 and 9. This is called as what? The augmented matrix. Okay. Now for this, as I told you, the first step is Gauss elimination. We will apply the elementary row transformation and reduce this to what? Row-echelon form. That is, make this all this below this 2, this and below this one 0. Okay. So that's same with the concept of finding rank. Fine. So see, what I'll do, I'll try to make it more simple, because many authors say the first element is 1, then things become easier. So let's do that. I'll rewrite this matrix as again A augment B is equal to this I'll shift. In any matrix, the rows or columns can be interchanged. Because why? To make things easier. That's another thing. So you can do directly also. You will get exact answer, 100% answer. But to make things more easy, what you'll do? Make this 1. That means I'll shift this row R3 to this row R1 and row R2 and row R3. What I'll do? I'll interchange. This I'll bring here and this I'll bring here. That's all. So if we do that, what we get? 1, 1, 1, augment 9. Then this 2, 1, minus 1, 0 as it is. Then the last I interchange this R1 first row will become the third row. 2, 5, 7 and 52. Beautiful. Now for this I'll apply the elementary row transformation, as I said, same as finding the rank. If you want to understand still more better, please visit the playlist. I solve many problems on rank. That is 100% going to make things definitely super duper easy for you. Okay, please do that. Now how you do, if you have been following me, then very simple. What you do first is like my theory: first husband, 2 wives, then first column, first row, first person, second column, second person, second husband, first husband 2 wives, second husband only 1 wife. That means by making use of this one, the first pivot heading, it will make below this 2 0. Then second, making use of this, what remains, it will make this 0. So go step by step. Don't see directly something 1 1 and make it 1 minus 1 0. Don't do that. You'll always get wrong answers. People do that. Please don't do. Always go step by step in the systematic way as possible. So what? You are going to make this 2 0, making use of this one. So obviously this is 2, obviously 2 minus 2 0. So what I'll do, simple technique, multiply by 2. See, I'm writing here only to make things easier and accurate. 2 ones are 2. I am going to make use of this stuff. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are what? 18. So what I'm going to do? R3 minus 2 R1. Fine. That means you're going to subtract this minus this. 5 minus 2, 7 minus 2 and 52 minus 18. Perfect. Let's do that. So this will be now again the new matrix is 1 1 1. This will remain as it is. What I multiplied, because matrix when multiplied or divided by the same number remains same, so as it is, and this will be argument 9. See, first I will make this 2 0. 2 minus 2, first this, then this, then this. Go step by step in a systematic way always. 2 minus 2, so this 2 and this 1 and minus 1 as it is 0. Now 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 2 5, 52 minus 18 will be how much? It will be 34. Simple maths. Done. Okay. Now I have made this 0 now. Now whose turn? This done. Making use of this one and make this 2 0. Below this one everything should be 0. To make it to row, what is that? Echelon, row echelon form. Okay. Now you have to make 2 0, making use of this one. Again very simple. Multiply by 2. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 and 18. If you want I can do here only, no issue, but I want to go step by step in a proper. Okay, fine. So this will be now again, what's the operation? R2 minus 2 R1. So the new matrix will be now 1 1 1 9 as it is. Now again, see here, 2 minus 2. People make mistake. You have to make this bottom 0, not top. They do 2 minus 2, top 2 minus 1 like that. No, this 2 minus this 2. This 1 minus 2 minus 1, this thing. Okay, so on. So now, 2 minus 2, 0. Then 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. 0 minus 18, minus 18. Am I right? Again, 2 minus 2, 0. Then 1 minus 2, 2. Then minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 18. Perfect. And this write as it is 0, 3, 5 and 34. Okay, done. Now the next step is to make this 3 0, making use of this minus 1. This first husband work is done. I am making use of this one top element. I made this 2 0. Now second column, second. If making use of this minus 1, I need to make this 3 0. That's all. How? Again simple. This 3, if this also is 3, obviously 3 minus 3 0. So what I do? I'll multiply by 3. 0. See, be careful about the signs. 3 into minus 3 minus 9 and 3 is a 24. So this will be minus 54. Correct? No? 3 is a 24. Yeah, perfect. So the operation is I am going to make this R3 0. So R3 plus, because there is, when there is plus and plus, apply minus. When there is plus minus, apply plus. Okay, when there is minus minus, apply minus. So 3 minus 3 and plus 3. So R3 plus R2. So this will be again now the new matrix is 1 1 1 augment 9, then 0 minus 1. Always take this term below. Okay, this is operation. Okay, top of the return. 0 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 18. Now the operation. See what is the operation here? 0 minus 0 0, obviously no issue. 3, I am adding it. 3 minus plus 3, 0. Then 5 minus 9 minus 4 and lastly 34 minus 54 minus 20. That's all. That's what I have. Now see here, up till here is Gauss elimination method, because I have made everything here 0. So this will be called as Gauss elimination. I am just writing it here for you to understand. Okay. So suppose if in the same question they would have given Gauss elimination method, you stop till here, and you know this for x, y and z, you can this 0 0, 4 z is equal to minus 4 z is minus 20, so z is equal to 5. Put the value here, back substitution and get all the answers of x, y, z. So the system of equation is solved. But we need to solve this using Gauss Jordan method. So first step over here, to apply the Gauss Jordan method, what you have done in Gauss elimination, same thing, no? See, making use of this, you will make first column first element, you made this below to 0, then second column this made it 0. This same process have to do opposite of it. That means I got to here. So what I'll do, simply one more thing I'll do, I'll make, see, my whatever you do know, when you solve this, we play with numbers, try to make things smaller here. Small is beautiful and small is correct. Okay, why? Because see, this whole row can be divided, because in a matrix operation, no, any row or column can be divided by the same number, because I see whole row can be divided by 4, 4 on the 4 5 are 1 and 5 is much more, smaller than 4 and 20, right? Okay, so do it. Even if you don't do, no problem, okay, but make it short, it becomes easy for you. So this again, I'll rewrite it as nothing but, I write here only, this will be, so what I do here, divide by 4. So this will be 1, 1, 1, augment 9, 0, minus 1, minus 3, augment minus 18, 0, 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Be careful about the signs here. Okay, beautiful. Now till here is Gauss elimination method, but you don't need that. We need to follow the Gauss Jordan method. That means what again? See, making use of, see what I told, all this below 3 0. Now Gauss Jordan means what? Opposite. That means making use of this, you have to make this below to 0. Similarly, making use of what? Sorry, making use of this. See this opposite. I'm telling you, opposite. That is making use of this. I have to make this and this 0. Similarly, making use of this, I am to make this 0. Getting clear? That means making use of minus 1, I need to make this 0. Again, see here what you did, making use of this 2, first column, first element, I made this below to 0. Then I go like this, diagonalize. Then below this second number, I make this number, I made this 0. Now opposite, making use of this, you have to go. You have to make this one 0, making this, I have to make this 0. As simple as that. Nothing, no worries. Okay. Now, see, as I told you, making use of what? Minus 1, I have to make this one 0. So very simple, 1 minus 1 0. What's the operation? It will be R1 plus R2. So this will be now 1 1 1 augment 9 0. No, sorry. I have to do the operation, no. 1 R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Then 9 plus 9 minus 5, operation is addition. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Then this will be as it is, minus 3 and minus 18 and 0, 0, minus 1 and minus 5. Done. Now, over. Now we are to making use of again this. I need to make minus 3 0. Again, obviously minus 3, this is also minus 3. If you subtract minus 3 minus 3 plus 3, 0. So simply multiply by 3. So 0, 0, minus 3 and minus 15. So the operation I am making this 0, R2. Minus 3 0 making use of minus 1. So it will be R2 minus R3. So this will be equal to now again, see, 1 1 0 4 as it is, 0 0 only. Minus 1 plus 0, 0 only. Minus 3, operation is what? Minus 0 minus 0 0, minus 1 minus 0, 0 only. Oh, sorry, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. Fine. Okay. So it is what? Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 only. Minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 is 0. Then minus 18. Be careful. Operation minus 18 minus bracket minus 15. So plus 15. So minus 18 plus 15 is what? Minus 3. So this accuracy and everything, the correctness in answer comes only by more and more practice. So feeling that this is very easy, I'll do it, will not work. You'll go wrong in examinations. You'll keep struggling with getting the answer. Okay. And in the end, if you verify, not get the answer. So when you practice, everything becomes perfect. Okay. You become fluent with numbers. Now see, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, minus 3 minus plus 0, minus 18 minus plus 15 minus 3. Again 0, 0, minus 1 and minus 5 as it is. Okay. Done. Now see, this work finished. This is finished. Now making is all this, I'm going opposite, right? Minus 1, I have to make this 1 0. So obviously no issue at all. 1 minus 1 0. So R1 plus R2. So this will be now, that implies I can write A augment B. The final matrix will be now 1 1 0. Okay, no, 1 plus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 and 0 only. 4 minus 3 1, then 0 minus 1 0 and minus 3 0 0 minus 1 and minus 5 as it is. So this gives you a beautiful diagonal matrix. That's all. This is the end, and this is the Gauss Jordan method. This is what? Gauss Jordan method. So this is for x, this column, this for y, and this for z, and this is constant. So directly, no need to evaluate anything, since diagonal matrix directly 1x is 1, so x is equal to 1. So from the matrix we can write x is equal to 1 minus y is equal to minus 3. I write here minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, that implies y equals 3 and minus z equals minus 5. That implies z is equal to 5. Beautiful, that's all. Therefore, by Gauss Jordan method, we get the solution for the system of equations so and so given is x equals to 1, comma, y equals to 3 and z is equal to 5. Beautiful solution by application of Gauss Jordan method. That's all. So if you want, you can verify this using the calculator. So whichever calculator you have, you can verify. So you need to go to equation mode and go to which are simultaneous equations. I'm using here FX 981 CW. So let's switch this on, go to home and you go to equation. There is a first number simultaneous equation. Number of unknowns is how much? X, Y, Z 3. So 3 unknowns. I'm just verifying the answers. Okay, correct one. So put all C, you get 0x, 0y, 0z 1. We are solving the system of simultaneous equations here. 3 variables. So put all the constants. 2, execute 5, execute 7, execute 52, execute 2, execute 1, execute minus 1, execute 0, execute 1, execute 1, execute 1, execute 9, execute. So we get answers are x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to what? 5. 150% perfect. This is how we solve and verify. So that's all for today's class. A very simple method, and the solution is also, if we do it now, again I'm telling you, many students they find it easy, but we as examiners we see in the examination they do very silly mistakes. Why it happens? Because they don't practice. So I have explained in the most simplest way as possible. I'll be solving more like these problems in the further videos. Okay, so please do practice it 2-3 times so that you'll be able to solve any problem in Gauss elimination or Gauss Jordan with ease. So that's all for today's class. If you have any comments or if you want me to solve any other problem, then you're most welcome. So if this video has helped you, then please do share these videos with your classmates as much as possible so that they also understand maths better, and together we can form a great engineering community. So that's all for today. Happy engineering, best of luck. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.